Alright, so you've been thinking about getting a Tesla. Maybe it's the clean aesthetic, the electric powertrain, or all the buzz about tech-packed cars. But here's the thing, there are some things you need to know before pulling the trigger on that purchase. I highly recommend you watch this video before buying a Tesla to learn how to save thousands of dollars right off the sticker price and how you could potentially get a brand new Model Y for just $28,000. Buckle up because this is going to be good. First, let's talk about range because I get it. Range anxiety is a real thing. It's one of the biggest mental hurdles for new EV buyers. The thought of running out of battery on the road can be stressful, but here's the thing. It's almost never as bad as you think. The average American commute is about 40 to 50 miles per day, and even the base Model 3 offers well over 360 miles of range. That means for most people, you can go several days without needing to plug in. Now, while Tesla advertises impressive EPA-rated range numbers, let's keep it real. Your actual mileage will certainly vary. Factors like aggressive acceleration, cold weather, and even carrying extra cargo can reduce your range. And a pro tip for battery health is not to charge to 100% every night. It's tempting, especially if you're a new owner, but it's unnecessary for daily driving. Stick to charging between 80 and 90% for regular use to maintain long-term battery performance. This is especially key for older lithium-ion setups, but even Tesla's newer batteries will thank you. So long story short, stop stressing, and Tesla has made range anxiety a thing of the past. If you've got your eyes on the Model Y, we need to talk about the upcoming refresh. Tesla's Project Juniper is set to bring some major updates such as redesigned headlights, enhanced sound insulation, and an upgraded interior that feels sleeker and more modern. Essentially, it's the Model Y we've come to know and love, but with thoughtful refinements to make it even better. If you're buying a Model Y in mid-2025 or later, odds are you'll end up with this refreshed version. But here's the kicker, the refresh has not yet rolled out. So if you're in the market right now, you've got a decision to make. Either wait for the Juniper upgrades or take advantage of some of the best discounts Tesla has ever offered. This is where things get interesting. Historically, Tesla has not carried over these kinds of incentives when launching refresh models. Look at the Model 3 Highland. Right before its release, Tesla offers significant discounts on the outgoing version, but those soon vanished as soon as Highland hit the scene. I'd personally take advantage of the huge savings over the redesigned Model Y, but that's just me. And speaking of incentives, Tesla has just updated the referral program, and this is hands down the best it's ever been. You can get a whopping $2,000 off a brand new Tesla for just using someone's referral link. $2,000 off a Cybertruck, Model S, and Model X, and $1,000 off a Model 3 and a Model Y. On top of that, Tesla has 0% APR financing on the Model 3 and the Model Y. Now, if that's not enough, you get 3 months of free full self-driving and 3 months of free unlimited supercharging. Now, if you think it can't get any better, oh boy, you're in for a surprise. There are also inventory discounts of up to $5,000 off a brand new Model Y. Stack that with the $7,500 federal tax credit and you've got a sweet deal. Oh, and local state credits such as the $5,000 in Colorado are also available for residents. This makes a brand new Model Y that's $45,000 a $27,500 car. If you're going to get a Tesla, now is the perfect time, and using my referral link in the description is the best way to save big while upgrading your ride. These deals are only valid through the year end, so about a month left. In my opinion, this is the best deal ever, and you probably won't see a better deal than this. So if I were in the market for a Tesla, I'd purchase one right away to take advantage of these limited time deals. One thing Tesla nails is its clean, minimal design philosophy. It's part of what makes these cars feel futuristic. But here's the trade-off. Minimal does not mean fully equipped, and if you're stepping into a Tesla thinking it'll come perfectly tailored to your needs, you might be a little disappointed. That's where accessories come in, and trust me, they can transform your Tesla ownership experience. For example, a ceramic coating is a popular one. It's a chemical polymer solution that adds a hydrophobic layer to your car's paint, protecting it from things like bird droppings and tree sap. While it does not shield against chips and scratches, it does make cleaning easier. Professional applications can be pricey, upwards of $1,000 to $2,000, but a DIY kit can do it for under $100. Check out my step-by-step video on applying a ceramic coating. It's linked below in the description. Now moving on to practical accessories, you might find that your Tesla, despite its advanced tech, comes surprisingly bare bones. Essential items include all-weather floor mats, which are a must for keeping your interior pristine. I made a video showcasing my favorite floor mats for Teslas and why I think the 3D Max Spider floor mats are the best. In summary, they protect very well, are easy to clean, and are very lightweight and durable. My in-depth video is linked below and you can save $10 by using my code TESLAMAT10 at checkout. Now, mud flaps are another essential accessory that can protect your paint from debris. And also, organization is key, especially in Tesla's minimalist interior. Cargo organizers and cup holder inserts are invaluable for keeping your belongings neatly organized and easily accessible. With limited storage compartments, these accessories can maintain order and convenience. Here's a pro tip if you're waiting for your Tesla to be delivered. Prepare for your delivery day by having all of these accessories ready to go. Trust me, it makes a world of a difference. To help you navigate the vast world of Tesla accessories, I've created in-depth videos highlighting the must-have accessories for both the Tesla Model Y and the Tesla Model 3. You can find these links to these videos in the description below. And for those seeking hand-picked Tesla accessory recommendations, I've curated a list of my favorites which you'll also find in the description. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to not miss a video. Your support means a lot. Alright, let's settle this once and for all. White seats versus black seats. Tesla's white seats are iconic, they're bold, they're clean, and they give off that futuristic vibe that Tesla is all about. They don't just look premium, they feel premium. Plus, let's be real, stepping into a Tesla with white seats, it's like stepping into a sci-fi spaceship. Now, I actually made a full video where I put these seats to the test. I show you how to exactly clean it step by step, and spoiler alert, it's way easier than you think. I'll link that video in the description below if you want to see the white seats in action. So unless you're a die-hard black interior fan or just prefer a more classic look, white seats are the way to go in my opinion. They're bright, they're clean, and they're future-proof. What's not to love? Alright, let's talk charging because if you're buying a Tesla, this is something you cannot overlook. Home charging is not just a convenience, it's a key to fully embracing EV ownership. Forget gas station trips, with the right setup your car quote-unquote refuels while you sleep. But here's a mistake most people make. Waiting until their Tesla's in the driveway to think about charging. Don't be that person and plan ahead. Now, the gold standard is a Tesla wall connector. It's fast, sleek, and it integrates seamlessly with your car and your Tesla app. But yeah, it can be a little pricey both for the unit and the installation. If you want a more budget-friendly option, go with a NEMA 1450 outlet or similar. It's essentially a high-power outlet that can charge your Tesla overnight, and it's plenty for most drivers. It's not as fast as a Tesla wall connector, but it's much faster than a standard outlet. Here's another pro tip. Don't skip checking for local tax credits and rebates. Many states and utility companies offer incentives for installing EV chargers, and some even provide discounts on electricity rates during off-peak hours. One more pro tip is to make sure your home's electrical panel can handle the extra load. A quick consultation with an electrician before your Tesla arrives can save you from unexpected delays or extra costs down the road. By the time your Tesla is delivered, you'll be ready to plug it in and enjoy the simplicity of home charging from day one. Alright, let's talk about Tesla driving tech, and this is where things get real interesting. Every Tesla comes standard with autopilot, and honestly, it's already pretty advanced. We're talking about lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and smooth highway driving. For most people, this is all you'll ever need. It's reliable, intuitive, and makes those long drives way less tiring. But then there's an elephant in the room, full self-driving or FSD. It's Tesla's most ambitious promise and their most controversial upgrade. It's also a huge financial decision, currently setting you back a jaw-dropping $8,000 upfront or $99 per month. And while it's undeniably impressive to see your car navigate city streets, stop at traffic lights, and make turns without your input, here's the thing. It's still technically currently in beta. That means it's good, but not yet perfect. You're essentially paying to be part of Tesla's ongoing experiment. So what's the move? Instead of committing to that massive upfront cost, if you really want it, I suggest go for the monthly subscription first. You can dip your toes into FSD and see how it performs in your everyday driving, and then decide if it's really worth the investment. Maybe you'll love it, or maybe you'll find that standard autopilot already handles about 90% of what you need. And here's the kicker, by the time FSD fully delivers on its hands-free future promise, it might be bundled differently, or even discounted. Now the bottom line is don't rush, test it out, and evaluate if it fits your lifestyle, and avoid spending thousands upfront on tech that's still evolving. Let's talk cold weather, because if you live somewhere with harsh winters, owning a Tesla can feel a little different. Here's the deal, EV batteries, including Teslas, are sensitive to low temperatures. When it's freezing, the battery's chemistry slows down, which means reduced range. Your estimated miles may drop faster than you expect, especially if you're using energy-hungry features like cabin heating or battery preconditioning. Cold weather does not mean Teslas are off limits. It just means you'll need to adapt your routine a little. With the right preparation, you'll still enjoy all the benefits of Tesla ownership, even when the temperature drops. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like and let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Are you tempted to buy a Tesla with these insane discounts, or will you be holding off for the Model Y Juniper? And make sure you're subscribed if you have not already and hit that bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.